I need irrigation to wash all the winter poop down.
Mm.
It is free fertilizer, and then the water makes it. Hi, George. I haven't seen you fly sheep. Let me see it.
I love chicken. That's my one favorite.
Okay.
Like 7-year-old in 4-H.
She's 5.
Oh, you need another clover bud.
You have some grandkids who are 5, right?
Yes, 2.
Yeah.
Jasper, one of the boys, is 5, and then Ellie's
I'm giving it back.
The Mustang wants to sniff you.
So they drank somewhere and what?
Just hay. Alfalfa. There's a wild Mustang behind you. She has not been ridden yet. So yeah, you ran on these Mustangs. She thought she had the prettiest face. And then after 1 year, they give you $1,000 to take care of you. So Sarah just got $1,000. Okay. Oh, what?
I think we should try it.
No, it's always like Sarah's usually up. It's just because you only have one, you seem like it says a party. It's almost mellow for our house. The two live with us. There's wild Mustang. The dog steps on me. The horses rarely step on me. But they do that. Their heads are right near you. But they know where their feet are. Hi. I see you have a braid. Oh, that's so cute. Sarah braided you. Oh, look, here's another little braid.
Is she finished with her, she was trying the pilot license? So,
Yeah, and Amy moved, so Amy's back east with her mom. She did not get her pilot license.
Oh, Amy, yeah.
And then Sarah started her RN. She still works at the hospital, but she still hasn't gotten her RN. She only took one class last semester, so
Okay.
she's been a CNA for like 4 years.
Oh, so if she finishes, then
It's snowing, farm snow. That means it's getting warm. Your winter fur is leaving you. It's not super thick. Sarah brushed her this week and got a lot off. There's piles in the front yard. You'll see as you go out in the front yard.
and you had a son who works at Michael, right?
Yeah, that's the we watched the 2 grandkids.
Oh, okay.
He did finally get a girlfriend last month, so maybe there's some.
Oh, so they're divorced.
Yeah, she didn't want anything. It was I've never heard of a mom just leave the kids, but she gave him 100% custody, and I think she sees him once a month with her mom.
Okay.
Like, yeah, weird situation. I know she's bipolar, so there's some mental issues, but yeah.